guys, it's Maya, and in today's video it is my birthday, and today I'm just going to be filming a vlog for my 15th birthday. And yeah, just ignore the open closet there. But right now I have school. Yay, not. But I'm going to first have breakfast, and then I'll see you guys at breakfast, then after school. So yeah, let's get this party started. Hey guys, so right now we're having breakfast and the lighting is like really good. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna have these pancakes, don't worry. I'm not gonna eat all of them, but they're really good. I had them yesterday and they were so good. And I'm gonna have some blueberries, because what's better than pancakes and fruit? And of course maple syrup, that's just a known fact. But comment down below what you like to have with your pancakes. And maple syrup or chocolate syrup. Hey guys, and as every time I film vlogs, don't ask me why, I'm in the bathroom again. So I'm just going to do my hair, because right now there's like, I came out of like a thunderstorm, because my hair is full of like, it's just there. And yeah, I'm just wearing this Aeropastel shirt and these H&M shorts and some Wilson socks. I don't think you want to know that, but they're Wilson. And yeah, so I'm just going to do my hair, and I'll see you guys maybe in the car or maybe after school. So yeah. So I finished school some time ago. My camera was just blurry, but we're gonna ignore it. But I'm waiting for my brother and my grandparents to come, and I was doing weird calligraphy practicing, trying to write biology, but it didn't work. But yeah, so I'll see you guys once we open presents and eat cake. So right now we are having lunch, a dinner actually, and I'm having salad, and I'm gonna have some sushi. So yeah, I'll see you guys probably when we're home. Hey guys, so right now I'm in bed and I'm gonna go to bed, and yeah, I'm kind of sad, Matt. Like, my birthday is over, but I just need to wait 364 days, I think. Yeah, around there, till my birthday. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below to watch more fun videos like this one. And stay tuned for the video of what I got on my birthday. But I'm just letting you know, heads up, I'm not trying to brag in any way whatsoever. And I'm very grateful for my presents and for the wonderful life I've had till now. And just for the day that I had today. And yeah, so yeah, that's about it. And now I'm going to go to sleep and go to school tomorrow. I still have school, sadly, but yeah, my camera is focusing and auto-focusing. It's more tired than I am, but you know. See you guys next time. Bye.